Hello everyone, in the episode of Reviews Pro today, we are talking about top 5 best hair clippers in this year. And if you want to see the price and find out more information about this hair clippers, you can check out the links down in the description. Also click subscribe at the button to stay up to date with the latest reviews. Okay, so, let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Remington Virtually Clippers Kit. The Remington Virtually Clippers Kit would be a really good option for everyone who wants to easily manage its thick hair, which as we all know is a really tough process. So, let's get started right away and find out what are the benefits of having such a clipper. From a design perspective, the Remington Virtually Clippers Kit is available in 2 colors from which you can choose the one that suits your tastes the most, such as the black that we are currently reviewing and the yellow. But regardless of your choice, both of them look and perform really good. This particular model features an ergonomic and lightweight construction that is made of quality components which will guarantee you many years of usage without noticing any significant difference regarding its performance and look. For your information, this unit comes with a 21-piece kit which consists of length-adjusting combs, an oil for the blades, a beard brush, styling comb and a hard case that will keep you organized every time. But now, let's talk about the performance. The HC5850 is armed with a super magnet motor which according to the manufacturer can provide a double cutting performance when you compare it with other corded clippers in this price range. In addition, the so-called precision ground blades are not only durable, but they are strong enough to easily cut even the thickest hair. So if you have a thick hair, I think that you will love having a device of this caliber. I would also like to add that unit blade system is easy to clean, due to the fact that you can put it under a running water, which means that the cleaning process will not be difficult at all. Moreover, the Remington Virtually Clippers Kit has an industrial strength, 10 feet cord which will last for years, and this is really important because most of the clippers in this price range don't have quality cords since they are prone to breaking. Before we end, I like to inform you that users claim that you won't have any difficulties while attaching and removing the guide combs, which makes this clipper an exceptionally easy to use. To conclude, the Remington Virtually Clippers Kit deserves your attention, especially if you are looking for a hair clipper that does miracles for thick hairs. At number 4, we have Braun Hair Clipper HC5090. Braun HC5090 is a high-quality, all-in-one hair clipper and hair trimmer that is literally one of the handiest options on the market, because of many reasons starting from its design, the 17 available length settings and up to its overall performance. From a design perspective, this model has a sleek, silver-colored, fully washable construction that is accompanied by a memory safety lock system positioned at the front of the unit, a rubberized grip, sharp blades, a power button that is also located at the front, as well as an LED light that will notify you whether the device is fully charged or is charging. In addition, this unit comes with 2 comb attachments which will offer you about 17 variations in length ranging between 3mm and 35mm, plus an extra short length setting, and according to the users, the process of attaching and detaching is very easy, so you won't have any difficulties in terms of use. Now, let's talk about the features. The HC5090 comes with a dual battery system which will offer you 50 minutes of cordless performance, and it takes an hour to charge it completely. But, if you seek more time, then you shouldn't worry either, due to the fact that this unit can work as corded as well. Moving on, one of the best things about this clipper is the memory safety lock system which I mentioned earlier, and what really cool about it is that it can memorize the last used length setting, even if you remove the attachment, which is really convenient. I would also like to mention that this unit has ultra-sharp, stainless steel blades that will help you cut long and thick hair without putting an effort at all, since they are engineered to stay sharp and to provide a consistent performance to ensure that you won't have difficulties. Last but not the least, the HC5090 will let you have an easy cleaning because, as you already know, it is fully washable, so as you can see, this hair clipper guarantees convenience from the moment you take it out of its box. Overall, I strongly recommend you consider the Braun HC5090, and if you ever decide to purchase it, you will never regret your decision. At number 3, we have Wahl Clipper Elite Pro. The Wahl Clipper Elite Pro is one of the most purchased clippers on the market, mainly because of its versatility, which will let you use it whether as a hair clipper or as a beard trimmer. So let's get started and find out what the secret recipe behind its success. From a design perspective, this particular model features a gorgeous, chrome-colored body that packs an 8-foot industrial heavy-duty cord that can handle years of a continuous usage, self-sharpening blades that will take care of your hair and beard, and a stainless steel attachment clip which will ensure that the blades will stay fastened with the intention to maximize your user experience. Before we move to the next section, I like to mention two things. The first is that the material used in this clipper is a premium grade, and it is 70% stronger than the existing guide combs that were engineered by Wahl. While the second thing is that this unit has an adjustable taper level which will provide you an easy blending, so when you see this unit as a whole it looks and feels premium. But now, let's talk about the performance. One of the biggest highlights about this clipper is its self-sharpening blades, which according to the Wahl, can cut your hair with 40% faster speed rates. In addition, the blades, as I stated at the beginning, are self-sharpening, which is something that I absolutely like due to the fact that they will maintain their original quality and performance for many years, while on the other hand, they are suitable for all hair types. So, for now, I can find any remarks. Another great thing about this unit is its motor, which delivers up to 15% more power according to the manufacturer. However, keep in mind that the motor can output a barber-grade performance since we are talking about an affordable device. Finally, when you are done with hair cutting or beard trimming, you can store this clipper to the included poly case that has a locking latch and a nylon bag, in order to maintain its build quality. To conclude, the Wahl Clipper Elite Pro is worthy of considering, because it gives a great value for its price. At number 2, we have Oster Professional Hair Clipper. From a design perspective, the Oster Class S76 is available in 11 colors from which you can choose the one that suits your preferences the best, but for your information, we are currently reviewing the brown colored one. This particular model boasts a sleek and lightweight break-resistant housing that is followed by an ultra-durable 9-foot power cord, and a textured handle that can fit perfectly in virtually any hand size. When you open the box, you will also find a blade guard, lubricating oil, one cleaning brush, a clipper grease, and 2 detachable blades. So you will be fully supplied with basically everything. But now, let's talk about the performance. This particular model is powered by a powerful, universal single-speed motor that is specifically crafted for heavy-duty use, which by default means that you won't have any problems while cutting soft or thick hairs. And regardless if you are a barber or not, this unit is suitable for everyone. I would also like to mention that most of the users claim that they weren't bothered by the produced noise, which is always welcome, because nobody wants to hear loud sounds while getting a haircut. Moving on, the Oster has a detachable clipper blade system as well, which I really like due to the fact that the system will allow you a quick blade change, so you won't have any problems while switching between the blades. But that's not all. Since this unit is mostly used by barbers, we read numerous positive comments regarding their experience with this clipper. Or to be more precise, they found this unit exceptionally ergonomic, which means that even if you are using it for hours, the chances that you will feel fatigues are set to the minimum, if not to zero. To conclude, I recommend you seriously consider this clipper because it looks and performs premium, which means that you will never be disappointed if you ever purchase it. And finally at number 1, we have Philips Norelco Beard Trimmer. The Philips Norelco Beard Trimmer would be a great option for everyone who wants to invest in a high-end, electric hair clipper that is primarily oriented towards home usage. So let's find out what can you expect from it. From a design perspective, this unit has a compact and stylish ergonomic body that houses a 180-degree rotating head with built-in length settings, which means that you won't have to dig through unnecessary attachments in order to find your ideal length setting. I would also like to mention that the Norelco comes with skin-friendly combs and blades, a cleaning brush, storage case, and hair combs, so you will be fully supplied with everything necessary from the moment you receive the package. Now, let's talk about the features. The Philips Norelco Beard Trimmer has 14 built-in length settings that range from 0 to 15 mm, and if we add its locking feature that prevents comb movement, it means that you won't have any difficulties while styling your hair with this device. Moreover, The 180-degree rotating head and its self-sharpening blades are capable enough to cover every spot of your head without requiring an oil, so I have to admit that Philips did a really good job here. For your information, this clipper is fully washable as well, so after you are done with shaving, you can put it under a tap and within seconds, the removed hair will disappear. I would also like to add that this unit is powered by a lithium-ion battery that delivers 60 minutes of cordless use, and it takes 60 minutes to charge it completely. However, if you need more time, then keep in mind that you can take an advantage of the power cord in order to taste the benefits of using the unit corded version. Before we end, I also like to mention that this unit comes with two 2D combs that will follow the contours of your head, which is something that I particularly like, due to the fact that your shavings results will always be smooth and quick. Overall, I recommend you consider this unit as a next purchase, because this clipper will never disappoint you with its performance. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. And if you have any questions related to this hair clippers, you can leave a comment down below. I will hit you up as soon as I can.